This video is all about the common Ilonggo verbs that you should know. Lakat. Lakat means walk. Lakat. Tanaw. Tanaw. Tanaw means to watch. Tanaw. Siling. Siling. Siling means said. Siling. Inom. Inom. Inom means drink. Inom. Butang. Butang. Butang means to place. Butang. Kuha. Kuha. Kuha means to get. Kuha. Pangita. Pangita. To pangita means to find or to look. Pangita. Pamati. Pamati. Pamati means to listen. Pamati. Sara. Sara or sarado. Sara, that means close. Sara. Bukas. Bukas. Bukas means open. Bukas. Sulat. Sulat. Sulat means write. Sulat. Palangga. Palangga. Palangga means love. Palangga. Tindog. Tindog. Tindog means stand. Tindog. Higda. Higda. Higda means to lay down or to lie down. Higda. Panumdum. Panumdum. Panumdum means to think. Panumdum. Dalagan. Dalagan. Dalagan means run. Dalagan. Saot. Saot. Saot means dance. Saot. Kanta. Kanta. Kanta means sing. Kanta. Halin. Halin. Halin means leave. Halin. Abot. Abot. Abot means arrive. Abot. Bakal. Bakal. Bakal means buy. Bakal. Hatag. Hatag. Hatag means give. Hatag. Luto or daha. Luto, daha. That means cook in English. Luto, daha. Langoy. Langoy. Langoy means swim. Langoy. Ligo. Ligo. Ligo means to take a bath or to bathe. Ligo. Batsyag. Batyag. Batyag means to feel. Batyag. Drawing. Drawing. Drawing means to draw. Drawing. Sabat. Sabat means answer. Sabat. Pamangkot. Pamangkot. Pamangkot means ask or it can also be a question. Pamangkot. Baton. Baton. Baton means to receive. Baton. Plano. Plano. Plano means to plan. Plano. Bakal. Bakal. Bakal means to buy. Bakal. Tudlo. Tudlo. Tudlo means to teach or to point. Tudlo. Basa. Basa. Basa means to read. Basa. Gamit. Gamit. Gamit means to use. Gamit. Sakay. Sakay. Sakay means to ride. Sakay. Himo or buhat. Himo or buhat. That means do. Himo, buhat. Kadto. Kadto. Kadto means to go. Kadto. Kadlaw. Kadlaw. Kadlaw means to laugh. Kadlaw. Taghol. Taghol. Taghol means bark. Like the dog barking. Taghol. Kagat. Kagat. To kagat means to bite. Kagat. Lapit. Lapit. Lapit means approach or near. Lapit. Kita. Kita. Kita means see. Kita. Dala. Dala. Dala means bring. Dala. Balik. Balik. Balik means return. Balik. Takos. Takos means to measure. Takos. Hakos. Hakos. Hakos means to hug. Hakos. Tago. Tago. Tago means to hide. Tago. And that's for our common Ilonggo or Hiligaynon verbs that you should know. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Madamo gid nga salamat kag halong pirmi. Thank you very much and take care always.